All right, I got a challenge for you. Ready? Good. Take about 3 minutes today. If you don't have 3 minutes, cut that down to 90 seconds. Okay? I'd like you to come right up, walk right up to something that's in nature. It could be a rock, it could be a tree, it could be a bush. And I just want you to take a moment to appreciate it. And maybe you don't know what it does for us. Maybe you don't know what it might give to the universe or give to the planet. But I just want you to walk up to something in nature and just appreciate it for just a moment, just to be grateful for what we've got. After that 3 minutes, take a moment to see how you feel. Did that help? Did that cause more stress? Or do you feel a little bit more at peace? Just take a look.